This is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a roof replacement in the city of McLean, Virginia. Everything is coming along really well. You can see that we break the top over the bushes so not to cause any damage. You can see the ice and water shield along the gutter line and also along the rails on both sides. Also the ice and water shield is installed around the chimney. Soon we'll be installing a new chimney counter and step flashing. So this is really nice. We're able to pull the dump truck right up to the house. So all the materials, front and back, we're able to walk it over and just dump it into the dump truck. So hardly any debris hit the property. I wish all my jobs were like this. Now let me show you what the back looks like. Yeah, the type of material that we're installing on this roof is called GAF Timberline HD. It's an excellent roof shingle, but just like with any other product, it is only as good as the contractor who installs it. And if it's not fastened perfectly, not only will they develop leaks, but they can develop blown off shingles even with 40 or 50 mile per hour winds. And here you can see there's no damage to the bushes. Everything is protected. Let me show you what's going on here in the back. This roof is almost stripped. We're going to be changing the flashing on the wall there too. That'll be all new. One of the roofers is fastened new shingles into place. All these pipes are going to receive new pipe flanges. So once the shingles are installed, then we're going to install the ridge vent, and then that'll be it. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof replacement and roof repair in McLean and all areas in Northern Virginia. I could be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.